All right, welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for joining me. Really appreciate you guys tuning in. Massive appreciation. Just the fact that you guys click on the video and you're watching it. Hopefully, you guys are having a good day. If you're here for the first time, we thoroughly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and join the MG Sports family. If you're here for a regular time, if you're a regular here, if you're not new here, if you're a regular viewer, all them something there, you know exactly what to do by hitting that like button. Anyways, as you know, the Jamaica U18 boys are participating in the UEFA friendship tournament, and we have today completed match day 3. So match day 2, I think overall, just one of the games them really stand out. But other than that, other 2 games them, I think it was pretty much a bit closer contested. First match day, we played against Saudi Arabia. Lost a game 2-1. Which I think Saudi Arabia actually scored in the 90+ minute. So, you know, basically that was a closely contested game. But nevertheless, the boys went out, represented themselves well. And funny enough, not many people have spoken about that game as well. So, but guess what? Jamaica 1, Turkey 10. That just break away. Everybody know. Everybody knows how I make nice. Everyone start making nice now. It's really strange. When we had, I'm not going to say it was a positive result, but we gave a good account of ourselves. No one really bats an eye on that. But as soon as something really went out of the way, everyone has something to say about it. Everyone wants to throw the youngsters under the bus. I did create videos on it as well, but I do believe that a lot of persons emphasize on the aspect of it's a developmental program, a developmental tournament. But certainly, now we see another game where the boys played against Mali and the game ended 1-0. Actually, the game ended in it was a deflected shot in added time. It was a whole 11 minutes at a time. From the reports that I've gotten, the boys really stood out and went out there and showcased some level of work rate and showcase some level of dignity and honor, and they really left everything on the pitch, I was told. And that would have definitely, for me personally, it makes me feel good because we already know how the first game went, and because the first game didn't go as how it's planned, I love the fact. Now, fun fact, let's give you some facts about Mali. This Mali team, they drew with Turkey, the same Turkey that gave us 10-1, and they also defeated Saudi Arabia 4-2, which means that technically they're a better team than Saudi. Saudi defeated us, agree, and also they're probably level and par with Turkey. But just probably the 2-2, just saying probably because we don't know how the game panned out. But the 2-2 result, if we're working off that, we'd say that maybe they're in that case they could be level and par, and possible they could be better than Turkey, or Turkey could be better than them, whichever way we want to look at it. But I do believe that maybe that 10-1 game, it could be now recorded as maybe a blip, just a really bad game, because 2 games close to contested, 1 got blown out of the park. Maybe, just maybe, that one we got blown out of the park could be just a really bad day. Nevertheless, the boys went out and gave a good account of themselves in this game versus Mali, and certainly I believe that this is something that we must can work on. We must have looked at ourselves and evaluate how we approach the game, evaluate what went wrong in that Turkey game, and then now we play this Mali game and kind of fix certain things, and we would have seen a much improved performance. For me, I want to say I think there's more games to play, because I think there's going to be some cross-play going on. Quite unsure on that. I think the team's supposed to return on the 5th, but I believe that there should be some level of cross. Is that the 5th or the 1st? I don't remember. But there should be some cross-play going on. So we will keep you guys up to date on that and let you guys know more about that. But for me, so far, there's lots of lessons to learn here, lots of improvement to be done, especially at youth level, and certainly would understand that things can go bad sometimes, but that doesn't mean that we should just throw all the toys out of the crib and just start making noise. Certainly, I hope that most of you guys can come across with a fair assessment of the 3 games that would have been played, and not just the one that would have been battered. But nevertheless, I do think that there's lessons to be learned here, and I'm hopeful that these lessons are well well taken. Bless up on yourself, people. This is just a quick update. Hopefully, you guys are doing good. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, it's Jamaica 0, Mali 1. Mali 1, Jamaica 0 in the UEFA Friendship Tournament. Developmental tournament. Apparently, I just Turkey never get the development and the friendship part. They never get the part there, the memo. They never get that at all. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Have a good day, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. All right. God bless. Boom.